In this example, we want to express the vector v with an initial point of -3, 4 and a terminal point of 1, 2 in component form. In order to do this, we simply need to find the difference in the x values and the y values for the initial and terminal points. So our vector v can be written in component form, where the first component is the difference in the x values, 1 minus -3. So we have our x value of our terminal point, and then we subtract the x value of the initial point. We then, in the second component, we do the exact same thing. We start with the y value for the terminal point, and we subtract the y value for the initial point. So we have a second component of 2, -4. We then just need to do this arithmetic. So 1 minus -3 becomes 4, and 2 minus 4 is -2. And so the component form of vector v is given as the vector for -2. Now we're given vector w with an initial point -4, -5, and a terminal point -1, 2. We want to express w in component form. You can pause the video and try this example yourself, then resume the video to see the solution in a few seconds. We find the component form of the vector w by subtracting the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates of the terminal and initial points for the vector. So our first component of the component form will be the x-coordinate of the terminal point, -1, minus the x-coordinate of the initial point, -4. And so we have -1 minus -4, which is +3. And the second component, we do the same thing with the y values. We take the y value of the terminal point, which is 2, and subtract the y value of the initial point, which is -5. And so we have 2 minus -5, which is +7. And therefore, the component form for vector w is 3, 7.